Good morning, class 4th class. This is your English language, and today we'll start chapter 21 conjunctions. So, class, the first thing is what is a conjunction? Conjunction are joining words. What is this? It is called joining words. Conjunctions join words, phrases, or sentences. What it joins? It joins words, phrases, or sentences. They are also known as connectors और ज्वाइनिंग वर्ड्स. कंजक्शन क्या होते हैं? ज्वाइनिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं. इनकी हेल्प से हम किसी भी 2 या 3 या जितने भी हुए उनके वर्ड्स हुए, फ्रेजेस हुए और सेंटेंस को हम ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. ठीक, 2, 3, 4 जितने भी वर्ड्स हुए, फ्रेजेस हुए या सेंटेंस हुए, उनको ज्वाइन करके हम वन कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड अ कनेक्टर और ज्वाइनिंग वर्ड्स. Like Saloni and Jahida are good friends. So here, with the help of conjunction, we join two words like Saloni and Jahida. यहाँ पे जो एंड है इसकी हेल्प से हमने क्या किया? 2 वर्ड्स थे सलोनी और जाहिदा, उनको ज्वाइन करके वन सेंटेंस बना दिया, वन वर्ड में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. सलोनी एंड जाहिदा आर गुड फ्रेंड्स. नेक्स्ट, डू यू वॉन्ट टू गो टू आगरा बाई ट्रेन और बाई बस? So here the conjunction word is or and it joins phrases. Here in this sentence it joins phrases. Do you want to go to Agra by train or by bus? Okay. Next, Veronica won't go to the wedding but her sister will. Here with the help of conjunction we join 2 different types of sentences. Okay. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया? कंजक्शन की हेल्प से 2 अलग अलग सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन कर दिया. ओके, विद द हेल्प ऑफ बट. नेक्स्ट, आई कैन नॉट ईट एग्स बिकॉज आई एम एलर्जिक टू देम. हियर विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंजक्शन वी ज्वाइन 2 डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. ओके, कंजक्शन वर्ड इज बिकॉज. द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज आई कैन नॉट ईट एग्स एंड सेकेंड सेंटेंस इज आई एम एलर्जिक टू देम. So with the help of because we joined them. Clear? What is conjunction? It works as a connector or joining words. It joins words, phrases और sentences. Okay, इसकी हेल्प से हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? 2 अलग अलग तरह के वर्ड्स हुए, फ्रेज हुए या सेंटेंसेस हुए, उसको हम ज्वाइन करके एक बना सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट थिंग इज वी नो बट एंड or and because are conjunctions. Okay, these 4 words but and or and because are conjunction word. Okay, read the sentences given below to learn about some more conjunctions. Okay class, in English language there are many conjunction word. Okay, like the first is I cannot sleep unless the windows are open. Okay, so here the word unless is a conjunction word. Okay, सेंटेंस मीन्स इज आई कैन नॉट स्लीप, मैं सो नहीं सकती हूँ. अनलेस द विंडोज आर ओपन, जब तक कि विंडो खुले रहेंगे. सो हियर द वर्ड अनलेस मीन्स जब तक. ओके, जब तक विंडो ओपन रहेंगे तब तक मैं सो नहीं सकती हूँ. ओके, सो हियर द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज आई कैन नॉट स्लीप एंड सेकेंड सेंटेंस इज द विंडोज आर ओपन. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज इट्स 2 months since I have seen a play. So here the conjunction word is since. It is used for timing. जब भी हमको टाइमिंग बताना होता है, कन्फर्म टाइमिंग होती है, तब हम since का यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, और कन्फर्म टाइमिंग नहीं होती है तो हम for का यूज़ करते हैं. So here the first sentence is it's 2 months. ओके, 2 महीने हो गए since I have seen a play. ठीक, मुझे कोई भी प्ले देखे हुए 2 महीने हो गए. So here the conjunction word is since. Okay. Next is although or though the car is small, it is comfortable. Okay. Here the word although or though, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? मतलब उसके बावजूद, in spite of, मतलब वो चीज़, वो कमी होने के बावजूद भी क्या है? मतलब सब कुछ ओके है. यहाँ पे क्या है? द कार इज स्मॉल, मतलब यहाँ पे कार तो छोटी थी लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी क्या है? कंफर्टेबल है. क्लियर? What it means? ऑल्दो और दो का मतलब क्या होता है? मतलब उस चीज़ के बावजूद, उस इन स्पाइट ऑफ. ओके, इंग्लिश में इन स्पाइट ऑफ और हिंदी में उस चीज़ के बावजूद भी क्या है? दूसरा काम हो रहा है, ठीक ना। जैसे यहाँ पे कार छोटी है लेकिन फिर भी क्या है, कंफर्टेबल है। ओके, नेक्स्ट, कैरी योर अम्ब्रेला और यू विल गेट वेट। ओके, here the word or is a conjunction word and here it joined two sentences. Okay, the first sentence is carry your umbrella and second sentence is you will get wet. अपना umbrella ले लो नहीं तो क्या होगा, भीग जाओगे। ओके, नेक्स्ट, Mrs. Pinto may need some help to walk as she is old. Okay, so here the conjunction word is as. It joins two sentences. Okay, the first sentence is Mrs. Pinto may need some help to walk. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट सेंटेंस क्या है कि मिसेस पिंटो जो हैं उनको चलने में थोड़ी हेल्प की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। क्यों भाई, एज शी इज़ ओल्ड। ओके, क्योंकि वो क्या है, ओल्ड हैं। नेक्स्ट, पुट ऑन योर शूज बिफोर यू गो टू प्ले। हियर द कंजक्शन वर्ड इज बिफोर। ओके, पुट ऑन योर शूज मतलब कि आप अपने शूज पहन लो बिफोर यू गो टू प्ले, खेलने जाने से पहले। ओके, सो हियर बट एंड और बिकॉज अनलेस सिंस ऑल्दो दो और एज एंड बिफोर, दीज ऑल आर कंजक्शंस वर्ड। ओके, सो नाउ ready to solve the exercises. The first exercise is underline the conjunctions in the following sentences. Class, here in this question there are some sentences. You have to find out conjunctions word and then underline them. So the first sentence is I gave Akriti a cold drink because she was feeling very hot. So here in this sentence, because is a conjunction word, so underline it. Second, Sinjini was standing outside though it was raining. So here in this sentence the word though is a conjunction word. Okay, so underline it. Third, Santanu turned on the gas and cooked dinner for the family. So here the word and is a conjunction word. Santanu turned on the gas and cooked dinner for the family. Aris Ahmad took up teaching when he was 40 years old. So here the word when is a conjunction word, so underline it. Next, Tushar sat down as he was tired. So here the word as is a conjunction, so underline it. Next, we must leave now or we will miss the train. So here the word or is a conjunction, so underline it. Next, Aunt Renee's feet are very small, so she gets her shoes from the kids section. Okay, so here the word so is a conjunction, so underline it. So class, question number A is completed. Second question, join these sentences with the help of the conjunctions given in brackets. Class, in this question there are some sentences. We have to join them by using conjunction which is here in bracket. यहाँ पे टू सेंटेंस दिए हुए हैं, उसको हमें ज्वाइंट करना है और जो ब्रैकेट में कंजक्शन वर्ड है उसी के हेल्प से। ओके, सो द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज वी सॉ मिनी इन द साइंस लैब. दिस इज द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. वी सॉ जसलीन इन द साइंस लैब. ओके, दिस इज द सेकंड सेंटेंस एंड कंजक्शन इज एंड. सो आफ्टर यूजिंग कंजक्शन द सेंटेंस विल बी वी सॉ मिनी एंड जसलीन इन द साइंस लैब. Okay, clear how to do this? We have to use this conjunction word in the middle of the sentence and then join them. Okay, and we use this conjunction word whenever there is a similarity of the sentence. जहाँ भी हमको similarity दिखती है किसी भी sentence में, ठीक ना, उससे कहीं ना कहीं connected होना चाहिए, तभी हम conjunction word का use करके उस sentence को join कर सकते हैं. Okay. Second sentence is, second number is, my father has given up smoking. This is the first sentence. The doctor advised him to do so. This is the second sentence. A conjunction word is as. So after using conjunction, the sentence will be, my father has given up smoking as the doctor advised him to do so. Clear? Third is, Mitali sings well. She does not practice. Okay, this is the first sentence, Mithali sings well, and she does not practice, this is the second sentence. And conjunction word is though. So after using conjunction, the sentence will be Mithali sings well, though she does not practice. Okay. Fourth number, I can offer you tea. This is the first sentence. I can offer you coffee. This is the second sentence. Conjunction word is or. So after using conjunction, the sentence will be I can offer you tea or coffee. Okay. Next, it is very hot here in June. This is the first sentence. It rains in July. This is the second sentence. And conjunction word is but. So after using conjunction, the sentence will be it is very hot here in June, but it rains in July. Okay. Next, Sonali washed her face. First sentence. She went to bed. Second sentence. And before is a conjunction word. So after using conjunction, Sonali washed her face before went to bed. Clear? Next, Sanjeev likes to watch movies. This is the first sentence. His sister likes to read books. This is the second sentence. And conjunction word is but. So after using conjunction, the sentence will be Sanjeev likes to watch movies, but his sister likes to read books. Clear? How to use conjunction word and make or join two sentences or phrases or words. So question number B is done. Question number C, match the two columns. Here, class, in this question, this is the first sentence and this is the second sentence, second part. Okay. We have to read them properly and then join it. Okay, which is suitable. So the first is Radhika is sad. So number first will match with number D because her pet dog is ill. Okay, you will match number first with number D. Second, Aman does not open the door for anyone when he is alone at home. So we'll match number second with number A. Third, the weather was overcast and it started raining. So we'll match number third with number H. Fourth, I am unwell, so I am not going to school. So here you will match number fourth with number B. Next, you can take a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. So you will match number fifth with number C. Sixth number, should I call him or will you call him yourself? So we'll match number 6 with number E. Seventh, I can come later if you are busy today. So we'll match number 7th with number F. Last one is somebody rang the bell while we were having dinner. So we'll match number 8th with number G. So class, here question number A, B and C totally completed. We'll continue the next question in our next class. So it's enough for the day. Thank you.